fraction represents equal parts of a whole. So let's review what a numerator and denominator are. First of all, we have a circle with 6 equal parts. So our denominator, 6 at the bottom, represents the equal parts. If we pull one of those out, we say that we have 1/6. If we pull 2 of them out, we say that we have 2/6. Adding and subtracting fractions with the same bottom number or denominator is really quite simple. If we have 2/6 and 1/6, we add the top number of the numerator, 2 and 1, and we get 3. The bottom number, the denominator, stays the same. Sometimes this gets confusing because the rule for multiplication and division is different than this. But all we have to do is add or subtract the numerator, the top number, and leave the bottom number the same, and that tells us the answer to an addition problem. With a common denominator, subtraction is just as easy. Let's say we have 3/6 and we take away 1/6. 3 minus 1 is 2. Again, we leave the denominator the same. In our diagram up here, we have 3/6, and if we take away 1, we have 2. So let's add some fractions and subtract some fractions that have common denominators or common bottom numbers. So, for example, we have 2/3 plus 1/3 equals, again, all we do is add the top numbers. We don't worry, we just keep the same bottom number. So 2 plus 1 is 3. And as we talked about before, any number over itself equals 1. We have 3/3, that's also equal to 1. Okay? Another example is 2/32 plus 1/32. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3/32. Let's do an example of some subtraction using the same numbers. 2/3 plus or minus 1/3. Okay, same thing. All we do is work with the top numbers, the numerator. 2 minus 1 is 1. We keep the bottom number 3. And let's do one more example. Okay, we have 2/32 minus 1/32 equals 1/32. Again, we subtract the top numbers, leave the bottom numbers alone, and that's all we do. Okay, let's do a couple. Let's let you try a couple of them. We'll do 7/12 plus 5/12, and then let's subtract 7/12 minus 5/12. So go ahead and do this on your own, and please, teacher, check them to see if they're right. Okay, so we just look at the top numbers again. Keep the bottom the same. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12/12, any number over itself, like we talked about, is 1. Okay. Bottom number, 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. 2/12. So this is what you should have on your paper.